Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Finding where a limit exists but differs from the function value is easy if you look for the open hole on this graph.
First, we need to identify points where the limit exists. This means the graph must approach the same height from both the left and the right sides of the specific point. At x equals 1, the limit does not exist because of the jump. At x equals 8, the limit and the function value both equal 0, so that point is continuous. At x equals 5, the limit is 0, but the function value is 3. This mismatch makes option A our only correct choice. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing by checking signs. Always trust given points and check your steps.